And the next time when you think about your bike getting rusted because of the bad British weather, see what happened to that bike which is only on 20,000 kilometers. See that? 20,000 kilometers. Pretty hard labor went on it, doesn't it? See that? See where the speedometer is. Like, see where they see the speed. Bloody hell. If you have to look at that for the speed, you're getting a speed ticket tomorrow. I'm telling you. See the seat. A 50cc bike, 50 or 60 years old, and see what happens. It's probably running. It's probably running. And that carriage probably been pulling it at some point. There's extra seat here. Someone might be sitting on that thing. So guess what? 3 people on that seat. 1, 2, 3 people. And the exhaust, bloody hell. That is madness. It's really mad. It's a 50cc engine on 350cc motorcycle on 20,000 miles. Bloody amazing. See that? And you're blaming British weather, don't you? British weather is bad, isn't it? You need to go to Russia to see that. Bloody hell. Alright guys, thank you for watching and have a good day. Enjoy the weather.